smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Short walk. 7 o'clock Sunday morning, the morning after the night before. There's a lot going on last night, including in our Albergue, where some people arrived at midnight and left at 4 in the morning. But there you go. 19 euros a little night, you can't expect much more. As we make our way out of the town, following a few hikers. Imagine this being your front door. Walking through a park outside the city walls. Of course, 7 AM Sunday, there isn't really anyone about. Coming out of Pamplona, going through the university grounds. So coming through the university, they've got this drainage stream ditch, I've no idea, but it's flowing very fast. We had a lot of rain last night. A lot of water. Look at the sides. There really is a lot of flood water today. Woo! Quite a bit of work going on this southern section out of Pamplona. So they've taken us onto a road, but nobody else is on it. Although from the sign, we're not allowed to overtake. So I'll bear that in mind. Now we're getting into the countryside. I can see a long line of pilgrims ahead. We have a drone user up ahead. That's what we're leaving behind. Pilgrims coming across the field. A Camino green tunnel. Good morning, day 4. So today is really just getting up and over sort of a bookend of a mountain for the next section. It's not particularly high. We thought we were going to have rain all day, but it seems to have blown through. So hopefully we should have a good day. But as always, let's see where the day takes us. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a waterfall, but wow, a little bit of juggling to do. Here everybody goes up the hill, slightly uphill. This is the big hill for the day. We're about 50% of the way through it. The last village before the last push up the mountain. Close to the end of the climb, but you get this fantastic view of Pamplona and what we walked across. You can hear this roar as you come up the hill, and these are the wind turbines on the ridge. And as part of putting them up, the developers put up the sculpture that we're about to see. And you get to the top of the hill, and here is this sculpture. Just off the top, there is this memorial to some of the dead during Franco's regime. It's a busy place up here, but thankfully we've got good weather, so we were able to see everything. So once off the top, we sort of fall down the other side, and we're off, presumably into that valley somewhere. Trust me, this is downhill. It doesn't look like it, but it is downhill. I'll turn around and show you going uphill. Still doesn't look like it's uphill. It is, trust me. So, up and over, and now we've got this gentle track through the valley. The wind turbines all across the ridge. Crossing the ford at low tide. Whew. Got there. That's the thunder. There's the rain that just slid by us. Here we have quite an understated sign. It suddenly started to pour, so we've come in for a coffee. That was a quick shower. Another underpass. Lovely. Cacao! Beautiful, beautiful church. Just loads of swallows all over the place. It's too fast to pick up. Just through a small olive grove. This is a beautiful centre of town. We go past the seminary, a beautiful tower, through this incredible arch, Inglese Convento de Crucifixio. Puente de los Peregrinos, Bridge of the Pilgrim. And it's quite a river. Ooh. We're following the swollen river. The start of our last climb of the day. Oh, we're almost at the end of it. The penultimate village before our stop for the day. Coming towards the end of the day, and that is where we're going. That's a kilometre to go, and there's our target, nestled in the hills. A final up to the church and hostels nearby. The last few meters. This is downstairs. We're in a block upstairs. Beautiful Albergue. And here are our rooms. And this is us. This is the toilet. Very quirky, but amazing. And these are the showers. Somewhere to hang your clothes. And this is the balcony.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.